Hi guys, so I'm going to do a video going over the solution of the problem from class. So here's the equation, okay? It's a quadratic equation. It's telling you that R and S are two solutions to this equation. It says that R is greater than S, and they want to know what is R minus S. Okay, so if you look at this, you might be like, all right, where do I start, right? Well, they want to know what's R minus S, right? And R and S are the solutions to this equation here. So the first thing I need to do is find the solutions, right? Once I find the solutions, I can start figuring out what's R and what is S, right? So to find the solutions, it's set equal to 0 already, right? So I need to find the zeros, right? The zeros, roots, solutions, they all mean the same thing, right? So I'm going to factor this, right? You take this, you multiply by this, right? So I have x squared plus 5x minus 6, right? Don't forget the 2 when you that you got to come back for it. So here I'm going to factor, it's going to be x plus 6, x minus 1, right? Now be careful here because you could have maybe made an error and put a 3 and a 2. But the positive 3 and a 2 that you need here would give you a positive 6, not a negative 6. So the 6 and the negative 1 would work. All right, and then don't forget to bring back down the 2, right? And then this gives me x plus 3 and 2x minus 1 equals 0. All right, so this is the factored form of this, okay? Okay, now I just have to solve, right? So here I have set each piece equal to 0, right? So that means x is negative 3. And then I'm going to set this piece equal to 0, right? So x is positive 1/2. Right? So those are my two solutions, right? We solved for x and we got the two solutions. All right, but the problem's saying that R and S are the two solutions. So they're calling one R and one S. How do I know which one is which? Well, it says that R is greater than S, right? So which one's R and which one's S? Right? Because this one is greater, right? This is a negative 3. So this one's going to be R, and this one's going to be S. Right? This is R, this is S. So the last thing is, what is R minus S? So you got to be careful here. R is 1/2. It's minus S, so it's minus negative 3. I'm slipping here. So that's 1/2 plus 3, right? So you can write it as, I'm running out of room, so I'm going to just write it here. You can write it as 3.5. You can write it as 3.5, right? You can write it as 7/2, okay? Any of those would be acceptable answers, unless it specifies, you know, leave it in fraction form or round to the nearest, well, you don't need to round, but, you know, decimal or whatever. Okay, but either one is acceptable, mixed, improper, or decimal. Okay, have a great day.